Lavalier microphones are also called lapel mics. They are small and clip to your shirt, collar, or tie. The great thing about lavalier mics is that they allow you to record hands-free. Lavalier mics are very much preferred by the conference presenters, news reporters, YouTubers for making vlogs. These mics are also widely used for podcasting, public speaking, as well as television and theaters. Among the budget brands, you can buy Boya BYM1. It comes with a 20 feet wire. So just attach the mic at your collar and just forget about the mic and focus on the content you are delivering. It records a good quality sound. It has a very good noise cancellation. If you are using in camera, then it requires battery, but if you are using for smartphone, then it doesn't require a battery. It comes at a price at 1250 INR from Amazon, and it has got 1 year warranty. Next is condenser mic. As you can see, this is the picture of a condenser mic. Condenser mic offers superior sound quality and have always been the preferred type for studio recording. Condenser mic always require an external power and are more expensive than the dynamic mic. Condenser mics are more suitable for capturing the sounds of acoustic instruments and vocals due to their high sensitivity. Condenser mics should always be used in soundproof rooms or studios because it captures noise. Budget condenser mic price ranges from 10,000 to 15,000 INR. Best brands for condenser mics such as Audio Technica AT4040 Rode NT1. Now we'll talk about gunshot mics. Gunshot mics are widely used for sports, reporting, documentaries, and especially for vlogging. Gunshot mics are very good at background noise cancellation. Highly directional captures sound perfectly clear and in full detail. Best brands like Rode NTG3, Sennheiser MKH416. These are very expensive brands, but if you're looking for budget mics with decent quality sound, then you can go for Boya BYM1. Its price is around 1500 INR. Next is dynamic microphone. Dynamic microphones are very popular for live stage performances. Best brands for dynamic mics are Sennheiser MD441U, Shure SM7B. Budget dynamic mics, if you're looking for, then go for Ahuja AUD98XLR, price at around 1200 INR. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please like, comment, and share, and do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notifications of whenever I upload any new video. So see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.